Welcome to NetApp Support Site's new Generative AI, also known as Gen AI Search. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to use the new Gen AI Search functionality on the NetApp Support Site to help find answers related to support, knowledge articles, and documentation in a faster and more efficient way. Hi, I'm Mariana. Join me for a quick tutorial on using the new Generative AI Search feature on the NetApp Support Site. But first, let's cover what Generative AI Search is actually searching. Items or content included in the results are sourced from NetApp curated content across several repositories. These include product documentation, knowledge base articles, bugs online, support communications, also known as security advisories, and finally, content from tools and security. In the next few steps, we'll illustrate how to maximize your search query to return the most relevant and updated content. Let's begin. To get started, sign into the NetApp Support Site at mysupport.netapp.com. The Generative AI Search feature can be accessed by clicking into the search box located at the top right-hand corner of the dashboard page. As keywords are entered into the search prompt, Generative AI will offer suggested search options. In the next step, we will illustrate the search prompt in a more expanded view. In this expanded view, let's execute a more detailed Generative AI search query. In the search bar highlighted, type a question or search query. You can also enter key phrases or keywords. For example, you can enter phrases like, where can I find or how can I, followed by the detail key phrase or keyword. For this demonstration, we've preloaded a search query titled, how can I upgrade ONTAP with Upgrade Advisor? The generated answer pane provides the detailed generative AI response first, summarizing the most relevant information from trusted NetApp content sources. Citations highlight the corresponding NetApp content used to generate the answer. Click a citation to navigate to the corresponding content. Depending on the browser settings, the citation links may open on a new tab within the same browser or open in a new window. Check your browser settings and adjust as needed. Just below the generated answer pane, the most relevant and corresponding search results are also returned. These results can include resources like knowledge base articles from kb.netapp.com, documentation from docs.netapp.com, and community discussions from community.netapp.com, just to name a few. Next, let's illustrate how to use the filter by options. If the generative AI response doesn't completely answer your question or an answer is not displayed, you can refine your search by adjusting your query or applying filters to narrow the relevant results. There are 4 filters to select from: product, content type, language, and last updated. Keep in mind, for this initial general availability, only content in the English language results are available. Next, let's illustrate how to use the interaction features for the provided answer. In this example, we illustrate using the interaction features for a search query on the support owner's manual. In the search, we type the relevant keywords as illustrated. The interaction features allows NetApp to collect feedback to further refine and improve the generative AI answer. Click a thumbs up or thumbs down icon to provide feedback on the generated answer. When clicked, a feedback form is presented to collect important information. In the feedback form, be sure to provide the appropriate response for each question. Provide the link to the correct answer if you have it. Otherwise, you can leave this blank. Add any additional notes that could be relevant to this search. Some examples are, you are expecting a step-by-step procedure to use in the command line interface. Or, you are hoping to find steps to install or update a particular product, like ONTAP System Manager, but the answer includes steps for another product, like Active IQ Unified Manager. When you've completed all the fields, click on the Send Feedback button to submit and close the form. The Copy button allows you to copy the generative answer to the clipboard. You can choose to show or hide the generated answer component in the search interface by clicking on the toggle. Next, let's cover a few best practices to follow when initiating your own generative AI search. To get the most out of Gen AI search and ensure the best search results, try these tips. 1. Use clear and specific keywords or key phrases, as illustrated in the example we provided in this demonstration. 2. Avoid using long conversational type searches. For example, like the types of searches used in other human language models or platforms. 3. Utilize filters to narrow results based on NetApp product, content type, and last updated. We hope this tutorial provided you with helpful information on using the Generative AI search feature on the NetApp Support Site. Stay tuned for future updates and enhancements as we continue to expand and enhance the search functionality. As always, we welcome your feedback. Use the feedback form in the interaction feature illustrated earlier in this tutorial. Happy searching! Thanks for watching.